Changing the verification method in Outlook 2026 can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Open Outlook 2026. Launch the Outlook 2026 application on your computer. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the verification method. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings, and then choose Account Settings again from the drop-down. Step 3. Select your account. In the Account Settings window, locate and select the email account you wish to modify. Click on the Change button to proceed to the account settings. Step 4. Update security settings. In the Change Account window, look for the More Settings button and click on it. Navigate to the Security tab where you can find options related to your verification methods. Step 5. Choose New Verification Method. Select your preferred verification method from the available options, such as two-factor authentication or security questions. Follow the prompts to complete the setup for your new verification method. After completing these steps, your verification method will be updated. Make sure to test the new settings to ensure everything is working as expected.